Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy Domain to Replit. So first, deploy your project on Replit. Open your Replit application or project, then navigate to the Deployments tab. Deploy your project to enable custom domain linking. After you do this, in the deployment dashboard, choose the option to add a custom domain. Then enter your GoDaddy domain name and proceed. Replit will show you the required DNS records like a record and the text record. You'll have to basically update the DNS records on GoDaddy. So copy the a record and txt record, log into your GoDaddy account and open the DNS management for your domain. After you do this, add the DNS records, that is a record and the text record. Then save and wait for DNS propagation. So save the changes in GoDaddy's DNS manager, wait for the DNS propagation, that is usually within an hour but sometimes up to 48 hours. Then verify domain in Replit. So return to Replit, click verify or link in the custom domain section that will be just right here. Once verified, your GoDaddy domain will be connected and SSL enabled. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.